Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Roy again, your AI specialist from Waymont Consulting. Today we're going to discuss about the topic, the dawn of the agentic era, and the drastic changes happening from ask me anything to do it for me. The 2026 inflection point, the end of the chatbot. For the first 3 years of the AI revolution from 2022 to 2025, the world was obsessed with generative AI. We marveled at its ability to write poems, summarize long PDFs, and generate hyper-realistic images from simple text prompts. But as we enter 2026, the novelty of chatting has worn off. The market has shifted from generative AI to agentic AI. Let's discuss about the fundamental difference. Agency. While a generative model waits for your next prompt to provide an answer, an AI agent is a goal-oriented system. You don't give it a prompt, you give it an objective. If you tell a 2024 chatbot, plan a marketing campaign, it gives you a list of ideas. If you tell a 2026 AI agent, launch a marketing campaign, it logs into your social media accounts, researches your competitors' latest posts, creates the assets, schedules the posts, and monitors the engagement, adjusting the strategy in real time based on the data it receives. We have moved from the era of artificial intelligence to the era of artificial labor, the rise of multi-agent systems, MAS. The biggest breakthrough of 2026 isn't just a smarter single model, it is the multi-agent system. Just as a CEO doesn't do everything themselves but manages a team of specialists, modern AI architecture now relies on swarms or orchestrations of specialized agents. Gartner recently reported a staggering 1,445% surge in multi-agent system inquiries over the past year. How a multi-agent system works in a 2026 business and why it is important to understand. Let's deep dive how the multi-agent system operates in 2026. In 2026, the corporate structure is being redrawn. We are moving away from the siloed AI of 2024, where a marketing tool lived in one tab and a coding tool in another, toward integrated agentic ecosystems. The architecture of collaboration. Think of a multi-agent system not as a single piece of software, but as a digital department. In a 2026 business, these systems use a hierarchical orchestration model and how it works in multi-agent concepts. Let's look one by one. The orchestrator. This agent receives the high-level goal. Example, build a new e-commerce feature. The researcher. Agent. It scans current market trends and user feedback. The coder agent. It writes the actual code, often utilizing specialized tools like Claude Code or GitHub Copilot X2 to handle thousands of lines of legacy updates. The QA agent. It identifies bugs and sends them back to the coder for refinement. The security agent. It ensures the new feature complies with the latest cybersecurity protocols and privacy laws like the EU AI Act. This microservices moment for AI means that 40% of enterprise applications now have these agents embedded directly into their DNA. The economic shift, AI as capital, not just software. Economically, AI is no longer a utility bill or a line item in the IT budget. It is becoming the primary driver of GDP growth. In the US alone, AI-driven physical investment is projected to hit $600 billion this year. We are seeing a phased transition in the labor market. While entry-level knowledge worker roles are facing disruption, new roles are emerging that didn't exist 2 years ago. The AI system orchestrator, someone who manages the fleet of agents. The AI governance analyst, experts who ensure the agents stay within ethical and legal boundaries. The workflow architects, designers who restructure business processes to be agent-first. Vanguard and other major financial institutions are forecasting that this shift could push real GDP growth toward 3%, a rate unseen in decades as the structural inefficiencies of human-led administration are smoothed out by autonomous systems. The real-world impact, Agentic Commerce. The most visible change for the average person is Agentic Commerce. MasterCard recently launched Agent Pay, a framework that allows your personal AI agent to make purchases on your behalf securely. Imagine your AI agent knows your refrigerator is low on milk, your car needs a tire rotation, and your best friend's birthday is next week. It doesn't just remind you, it compares prices, books the appointment at the mechanic based on your calendar, and orders a gift that fits your friend's latest interests, all while ensuring you get the best cashback rewards available. The Black Box Challenge. Trust and governance. However, with great autonomy comes great risk. As AI begins to make decisions, like settling insurance claims or adjusting medical dosages, the need for explainable AI, XAI, has become a legal mandate. In 2026, trust is the new currency. Organizations are deploying governance agents to watch over their worker agents. These systems provide a digital audit trail, explaining exactly why a certain decision was made. Without this transparency, the AI takeoff would be grounded by regulatory fear. Conclusion. The roadmap ahead. We are no longer just using tools. We are building partners. The future of AI is not about a single godlike entity, AGI, but a trillion small, specialized intelligences working in concert to run the world's infrastructure. That wraps up our session on multi-agent. I hope you found it insightful and easy to follow. We've got more exciting videos coming your way soon, so stay tuned and keep exploring. And if you enjoyed this, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll get notified whenever new content drops.